Hi guys. So I'm back guys after 3 weeks. So I've been very busy talaga guys. Pumunta kami ng Manila and ang daming nangyayari, ang dami kong ginawa and ngayon lang talaga ako nakabalik guys and as you can see, sobrang messy pa talaga ng room ko. But now guys, I'm so back na talaga and ang dami talagang nangyayari but now I'll be back to vlogging guys kasi hindi ko alam pero magsi 6 years na pero I'm not monetized pa rin. Please guys, tingnan niyo naman yung mga videos ko, charis. So, yun lang. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog nung pumunta ako ng Manila kasi yun nga, naging very busy din talaga ako guys. So, nung dumating kami nung Sunday, tapos ang dami ulit ginawa, tapos next week, travel ulit kami, guys. And I'm just so happy with everything talaga. You know what? One thing I learned in life is you have to really have to pray for the things that you want in life. And talagang ang daming blessings and I always thank God and I'm always grateful to God about that. And yun lang guys, yun lang talaga. I'm super happy and super thankful. So, yun lang guys, hindi ko alam ano pa bang pag-uusapan natin. And maybe you can just comment down below and ask me anything guys that you want to know about me. And yun nga, I've been very, very busy talaga. Pasensya na kayong lahat at hindi na ako nakapag-vlog madalas kasi nga I've been very, very, very busy talaga guys. So, yeah. So, next week, pupunta na naman kami ng island. But, malalaman nyo na guys kung saang island. You'll know. It's just that, hindi ko alam. Siguro ganito na talaga guys. So, alam niyo naman, December na ngayon and next month guys, my goodness, 2026 na, di ba? So, ang bilis talaga ng panahon. Parang kaka-January lang noon. Tapos, bigla ngayon December na naman guys. So, kayo, kamusta ba kayong lahat? You can comment down below. Share nyo guys kasi I will be answering all of your comments. And yes. So, yun lang siguro. I'm just gonna upload